Hello and welcome to another Daily Dose of Insights powered by Container Exchange. My name is Christian, and every other day we bring to you the key news stories and data points that move container markets and hence your business. Today it's Wednesday, so we typically look at some of the core indicators, market indicators in leasing and trading from around the world, usually based on our Insights product, which we have within our Exchange platform to give our customers increased visibility on price developments, volumes, etc., to help them make better decisions. Let me quickly share my screen to give you a little bit more guidance of what I'm talking about. So over the past couple of weeks and months, we've seen container prices, particularly in Shanghai, really taking off. So this is now the last 12 months roughly in trading prices for 40-foot high cube cargo weighted containers in key locations around the world. So you see Shanghai here as the orange or red line from China, and then a couple of locations specifically in Europe and the US. And what you see is that since about September last year, the prices started to diverge. First because prices in Europe and the US fell towards the end of the year, while container prices in China and Shanghai remained relatively stable. And then after the attacks of the Houthis in the Bab al-Mandab started to happen, we really saw container prices in Shanghai, in China, take off, reaching, and these are weekly averages, so the number is a little bit lower, around about 3,200 end of May, beginning of June. What we've seen since then is that this price increase has stalled a little bit, so it's not as steep, it's not as aggressive anymore. We see a little bit of a consolidation of the prices here. From the market, we also hear that this is because price expectations of buyers are now decreasing. Essentially, buyers are not willing to pay these high prices anymore, also because they know that a lot of new build containers will be coming online over the next couple of weeks and months, and of course the demand outlook is uncertain. At the same time, lessors and container owners still want, of course, prices to increase. So that's why there's lower trading volume here over the past couple of weeks, just because price expectations are not aligned. At the same time, and it's a bit difficult to see this here, but some of these prices, specifically in Europe and Americas, they also started to increase now over the last 2 to 3 weeks. And what this means is, or what this results in, is on the leasing side, now I'm looking at container leasing price trends, is that this significant increase of leasing rates, so one-way leasing rates from Shanghai, from a high deficit location to for high price location to other locations around the world. The significant price jump, price increase has also now slowed down, so that because basically the price gap between the locations has not widened anymore, or in some cases even narrowed a little bit. Now, it remains to be seen how this will carry on going forward. Of course, there's a lot of factors coming into play on the demand side. So will this pulled forward peak season continue, so to speak, basically being substantiated by an underlying demand growth, or will this flatten out and suddenly you'll have a situation where the capacity is high, carriers have provided additional tonnage, additional capacity on the main trade lanes, but the demand does not substantiate, and then we'll see freight rates drop, we'll see demand for containers drop, and hence also container prices and leasing rates. Same, of course, will happen if the situation in the Bab al-Mandab starts to ease up a little bit. But as we've noted earlier, the chances of that happening on the short term are relatively low, because we don't really see a political solution. We don't really see a military solution to this. So this will likely remain on our agenda for at least the foreseeable future. Now, this is from us for today. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hope this was a little bit helpful. Very much looking forward to your comments in the comment section. Happy to discuss, and hope to hear from you soon. Talk on Friday. Take care.